The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is ktimes.co.za. CAF Champions League semi-final, first leg at Tunisia. Mamelodi Sundowns coming back home. When Patanati all 3 points, but Junior, akusabali these points. Sundowns yadlula kudala kweso stage. Sibali goals ngoku. Into ebalekile ukuthi at this stage of the season, CAF Champions League, make sure ukuthi each and every stage you pass through and go to the next stage. Mamelodi Sundowns inyawo labo eli-1 likwi-final elinye lisese Pretoria, and we all know what happens at Pretoria. Mamelodi Sundowns, when they are playing there, 3 p.m. CAF Champions League, we all know what happens at Pretoria. So we Esperance right now, after the game, we can abona bebamba umhlangano ngasesenda line. Okay, mhlambi they can see ukuthi they are in trouble, they are in big trouble. Sundowns are making sure ukuthi they are going back to play a final. Remember last season they played the final against Pyramids, that's Egypt. But this season, it seems like the Sundowns, they want to go out there and rectify their mistakes. Now they won 1-0. Brian Leon scoring a goal for Mamelodi Sundowns, giving them the advantage going to a second leg at Loftus next season. Abana games game midweek. They were supposed to play Polokwane City during the week, but Lomdlalo has been moved a bit later. He's on I think on the 28th or the 29th. But Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. Junior, Kujan.
Shane Maprada kunjani?
I'm okay, my man. I'm okay.
Budisi Justice Shawalala, Benedict Sovilagazi, Budisi Bobzin,
Yep.
Budisi Nkululeko. Ebafethi kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. A quality side, this team is Sundowns. If we as South African, we can't be fair by now and tell them like straight with their quality, and then I don't think we will be fair. I mean, you can't be at this stage, especially consecutive each and every year. I'm talking in the past, how many years? Competing this tournament, 7, yes, they just last one, I think 2016, if you kumbula kahle. Last year, we go final. Quality side, I honestly. Well done. I think to Sundowns by winning Chola, I think our results are away. As a game,
Sure.
I mean, ngicela compliment. I mean, Sundowns to go away. I mean, today they were tested, honestly. Yeah, these guys, they've got Tano, which is a striker, very quality striker. I'm fit. Akpalu. I'm talking about Tengwenyale Onachu Okpalu. Nkhuluma ngale a playmaker. The one who play like Edgar Davids.
The one with dreadlocks.
Yeah, the one with dreadlocks. I think they've got certain players, quality side, and technically very good. Very aggressive as well. And in front of the capacity, like in Nkhuluma crowd, you understand. I think Labantu Laba first half, the game plan was simple. So in modern football, I'm a right wing back, they become playmakers. Then when you're locator, always they want a team called a right wing back. He got the ball, Ufuna Lengwenyu Talo. Talo was the problem. We had 2 center back, which is Ukipidu and Ukrenkeka. They did very well, but for me, both of them men of the match because second half they came with a game plan. Well done to the coach and his players. Mikel Caruso Kale is in naming him out, but he won Sundowns game today. Mikel Caruso mele simshayela izandla nation. If you give a team credit, na mele sim credit because tactically how I think he came ngikhuluma ngegame yanamhlanje was spot on to play offside trap because this guy into Bambambe, I think they never find him. Bekunzima ukuthi bamthe bazamile first 10 minutes and then they find him. Watholguti is always offside. They never played him, but wide. As coming in first half, the guy was very dangerous, very dangerous. Keita udlala la mapola la diagonal, which is the mapola 30-meter pass yamba pants between and behind these 2 center back. Into bayenze, they were lucky not to concede, which is Ukrenkekana, Kipidu, and Hugo Bros. I will be surprised if he's not going to take 2 of them. Or if Agamshi keep it, but the quality player. For me, Nyazo we are long injured, but you can't play international football away, Esperance this way, and then you are overlooked. I mean, mina bengamba nombogazi na these 2. I mean, la the two lemfe they play phela lengwenya ledla le France yona le utano quality sikhuluma ngeplayer that is a African a very dynamic player, technically very good, skillful, he understand ama teammate wakhe, and I mean time is run uno break line, and njoba ngisho I think he was giving this to set up a problem. Into bebayenza nabe wrong ukuball watcher and defending deep, I mean square, like watching ball watching and bame square kanje mabadlala behind them, nobody want to akekwazi ukuthi I'm going to this guy or I'm not going to this guy, you understand. And well done, I think technically coach spot on. Both of them, I think they were respecting each other. I'll be honest to you. Esperance, as much as they were playing home, the crowd bands, is true. But they're respecting Sundowns. Upege, they were not pressing that. But Zamil, I think first 2, 3, 4 minutes, when they see Sundowns throwing up, I forced you to Dlalin. I mean, Sundowns will force you to I mean, always Mkwena, he will avail. In today's game, Mkwena won't say, like me now, I will sing him, like, angenge ngithi it lo akuspeki ngasolo Mkwena ngimazi, I will put it that way. You understand? As coming a first half. Because Mkwena is a defense, who link between defense and attack. He always avail himself, energetic as well. But I think he came and I'm trying to plan from the coach. Angazo instruction. You don't have to come there because it's going forced to 10 and these guys bus presser. We understand. And especially Masodlala immediately will press us. Because into bebayenza na bekuba ne half clash. Allow Sundowns to build up. Mabadlala immediately when they press Sundowns. Marcelo Allende, I didn't see Mkwena as well. Udlale ngama patches ngikhuluma nga first half. And naye uJaden Adams patches, but a quality player. uJaden Adams, special quality player. I think manje uyavela ukuthi yena ubani. He now I mean kunamama player we know ukuthi I think not just some Russia, you understand, he needed to settle, he settled very well. Upege the pass le second goal feature. I mean,
The first goal. Yeah, the goal.
I mean to say the goal about second half, which is the first goal, Sundowns, quality ball there. First half, a very tight game, I'll be honest, but Esperance supposed to lead. You're going to shy upright. Keita, we have got this guy. Not Bebanga Nama midfield that can pass up front, but Akpolo, Onuchi. It's just it's a pity. He never played Aprikela Malo. It defense Sundowns were very, very tight. I think Saite Bebala allow with the Pambili Lunga and let them down going na Maga Pambili. I think decision making Ususametle Polu we had to receive.
You think they missed Motiba?
Yes, I call it. And second half I think recover Ulunga. I will be honest. Like tactical, not going because Sundowns among Pekwa we judge them offensively. You understand? I think it was better just sitting there and simplifying. Do you understand? Yes, this team in Tona Baba in the second half, Sundowns is the high line because Sundowns with these guys. Bafuna Lengwenya Leutalo is making these runs as keep a boxing and our striker, our defenders, 2 center back, Bapinde Balale. We understand it very well. But Mamaki quality striker, you can be so good 2 center back. Mangiti Badlalile. It didn't mean I'm not saying abadlala but they bamaki quality striker. We understand because sometimes this guy njoba ngisho second half ngicimile this guy and also basebenzisana ngcondo without the effort. We just push the guy siyazi uzorana forward and then upasa I right wing back which is ile when you cater because here in the midfield abamtholi and then the plan is some be offside. Now these guys they were forced to pay this diagonal ball on the right hand side. I think sometimes I thank you. Ngoba nabo bebangasana plan second half masikhuluma nje ifa. Iplan ile laphela honestly because the combination play they were so dangerous. The combination play would play this guy Keita on the right, he find this Dalo guy. But now he play now second half diagonal ball on the right hand side but overloaded the left side. Keita we are pusher and then cross. Ronald always alert. I mean, crosses any police ball. And then Mabadlala, I'm a midfielder, Mafunukzala, behind the defense from mid midfield. Sometimes they push high. Oronen is alert. And then so many offside. I think they were frustrated now. Sundowns much better from them. That's why they got the goal. A bit composed. And then now Marcelo then came to the game. Now Jaden more to the game. He came to the game. Mukwena as well. Well done to him. I think they came to the game. Silas a beat. Yeah, now Velil. And then they've got a quality striker whereby, I mean, what can we say?
That was his second chance of the game because the other one, can be a half chance, but that one, Brian Leon, that was a clear one. You can't miss from there. I've seen strikers missing goals from there, but yeah, he made sure Uguti his clear chance with that's the benefit of having a quality striker.
I mean, you travel in a ball, Leon. Bashai the bowler, he ran in a direct. You never look at the ball. No matter how big but as long as you step running,
Yeah.
you continue to run. Umkwena nae compliment to the boy. Azanga waste. I mean, abu mkwena makimi njenga labo. Yabona ukuthi that's why ngithi mina Michael Carriso simshayela izandla. When did last mkwena start the game? Ngikhuluma na kuphethe premiership. The coach tactically risk and say bring mkwena mina. And I mean to say Mrena. Now Mrena ubhekele la bhola lelo. Omunye bekolitrapper, the immediate dlala it's offside. Now Mrena because of the confident experienced player. Wadlala lela bhola lapho. And the last time honest Mrena dlala lapho go AFCON I think last year. It was last year in February.
2023, yeah.
2024.
2023, 2024, yeah.
Yeah,
AFCON
2024, I think December or January 2025, I can't remember. AFCON, I think there were 8 Sundown starters. And Mrena was playing. We were prospect Amdlalisa front. I mean, well done to Mrena. I mean, well done to Leo. And I understand ukuthi bazomthola lapha. But these guys running out of idea now. They were chasing a game now, rushing. Always, sometimes Mamat Pasa, always Ronald Williams is always alert. It's sometimes a high line. Now they are forced to play far because they are not dribbling wizards. Abantaba passer, most of them. And Bafuna Lengwenya striker because a very dangerous player, honestly. Nalengwenya Okpelu, I will say the playmaker, Edgar Davis. It's a pity. Now they play him so deep. If he was more next to Ipali, because of Ingles cool to Sundowns. But Sundowns, I don't care anyway who says what. Sundowns, I mean, to go to Esperance. Esperance, they beat Alakhre, I think, Trich. And 3-2 or 3-1, I can't remember.
Yeah,
and we talk about the team that is so experienced with quality. And they beat them, Santos going away. I mean, this is experience when this team, that's why I mean, I'm going to get age every time they play. I mean, it's not easy, in fact. This is everyone, like, I will give a credit. Players Sundowns, even players that come from the bench. But now they've got the advantage. Away goal. These guys, they come here. And as we should go into Pitor, yes, anything can happen. But Sundowns, it's not going to be an easy game. But Sundowns, honestly speaking, they've got quality, really players that can play international for me.
Junior, thank you so much. Let's wrap it up. Mamelodi Sundowns winning against Tunisia. Again, 4 times winners of the competition in Esperance. The last time winning the competition was back in 2018. Sundowns back in 2016. So yabona ukuthi lamaqela amabili ayijoin ngamehla bomvu le tournament ye CAF Champions League le season ka 2025-2026 sawudibana ke again next week for a CAF Champions League at Loftus Stadium. From myself and Junior Kanye, thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.